So I'm joined today by Andrew and Polly from Epson. Thank you for coming to ERS Fest.
Thank you for inviting us.
Totally welcome.
Yeah.
So we wanted to know, the headline acts are the C3500 and the C4000. What is it about these printers that gets our audience so excited and hyped?
It's their versatility. They can be used for so many different things. So from wristbands to entry badges and colour labels as well.
Here is an entry badge here printed earlier.
Love that.
We all have one of our entry to the ERS Fest.
Love it. And so, like, you're a headliner for a reason. Tell me why.
Tell us why.
We're a headliner because we like to hold the customer's hand from the very beginning of the sales process right to the very end of the life of the machine. So nobody has to worry about anything. Epson and our CIC team take care of everything. Our sustainability goals make us a world-class manufacturer.
So, if you could describe ERS Fest in a few words, what would you say?
Mad.
Mad.
Lots of fun.
Mad for
Lots
it.
of fun, yeah. Great bunch of guys to work with.
Love that. And to get an extra point for your team, can you tell me the band that I just quoted?
Backstreet Boys.
Love that. Got it in an instant.
Ask me another, go on.
Thank you for coming.